Today we're going to unbox this 1 kW 24 volts from Snadi. So this is one of the few off-grid inverters with AC charger, together with the one solar that I unboxed, Snadi. This one is a bit different because it's a Kreon. So it took me 2 years to wait due to the pandemic, and now it's finally here. So we're going to unbox and let's check what's in store for us. So this is one of the, I would say, popular brands in the market locally. Oh, a bit different. The color is off-white. And among the three brands, this one is a bit heavier, and the design and the casing is sturdy. Packaging, very nice. So let's lift this thing up. Okay. Oh, so it's a bit interesting since this one doesn't come with any wires, cables, even manual. So I think I'm just going to ask the seller on this, but it comes with a sticker. Pretty nice. Okay, so the first glance, let's check. Oh, it has the battery terminals, AC input, AC output. So definitely this is your grid, and this one is your EPS or backup output. Construction wise pretty neat and heavy. So you have plenty of perforated cover to dissipate its heat. Oh, well, I think this is where they place the toroid core, and you can place also your nuts in here if you want to have this thing mounted on the wall. On top, so no exhaust. On the side, well, this one has a fan. So Snadi, but locally it's known for its Kreon. And 24 volts DC, 1 kilowatt. The model is Kreon, so 30, 60 hertz. So how do we open this? Okay, pretty neat. The cover is really solid, rock solid, I would say. It's steel. Whoa, so now no wonder why this one is a bit heavier than the other brands. So you have your display, AC, DC, and I think this one, if you're using the AC charger. So menu is very tactile, push buttons, up, down, enter. So let's hope we can open this or energize this later, maybe from the other session or video. So now you have it has a very nice construction, since this one you have a clear plastic it includes with, it has already a circuit breaker. So you have a DC 125 SineWave brand. So it's a DC 125. You have your, what's this? Is it 83K? So it's an AC in, AC out. So just like the previous unboxing that I have on Snadi and One Solar, so they have the smaller recoil, and this one is the bigger one. And here is the main board, and this is your, where your all your power transistors are here, or I would say MOSFET. Cable is, I think this one is 4. You have an on and off switch. This inverter comes with a lot of surprises, so no wonder why it's really packed. And price wise, they are somewhat similar in terms of pricing. And you have your, this is one, your LCD. And what else do you have? So it cannot focus properly because of the plastic cover, clear plastic cover, but the construction wise is very nice. So you have your exhaust fan in here. So all of them has an exhaust fan, but this one is, the build is very sturdy and heavy. Nicely done, I would say. So that's it. And next up, we're going to energize this and check what's in store for us for this very heavy, sturdy off-grid inverter with AC charger. It's the only one that has built-in DC breaker and also AC breaker. Pretty nice. Yeah? It's well constructed and well thought of in terms of design. So I hope you like it. So next time we're going to energize this with my battery. I have plenty of battery in here which I can test and play around with the system. Thumbs up